Hi, my name is Kalyani. I'm going to talk about how Upshot AI can help you deliver personalized app launch experiences. So here's the situation. A fast-growing e-commerce company wanted to personalize their app experience to drive better retention and increase customer lifetime value. The goal was that the product team wanted to give a personalized launch experience every time a user opened the app. For this, they had to build a sequence of screens with a randomizing logic. Every time a user opens the app, they can see a different launch screen. But the challenge was these screens did not contain any personalization except for their names, and every time they wanted to add new screens, they had to update the app. The product team wanted to display birthday greetings and celebrate other milestones like 50th purchase, festivals, and seasonal greetings. As a solution to this challenge, the product team used Upshot AI dynamic splash screens to introduce personalized messages during the launch. The screens would be personalized for every user to display their name, the last product they bought, the number of products they have purchased so far, etc. They could even control who would see these screens and who wouldn't. Users would also see a personalized greeting on a holiday or a seasonal greeting based on the day. As a result, the engagement score went up by 30% with the help of Upshot AI's dynamic splash screens. Do you want to supercharge your app growth too? Contact us.